Hi everyone. Welcome to this LincStation tutorial. In this video, we'll show you what LinClaw is, how to set it up, and how to use it on your LincStation device. 1. What is LinClaw? LinClaw is a built-in AI assistant for your LincStation. You can think of it as a smart butler for your device. It helps you manage LincOS and check important system information more easily. Based on the current system capabilities, LinClaw can help with tasks like system monitoring, such as CPU usage, memory usage, and system uptime; storage management, such as checking disk health, storage capacity, and RAID status; network status, such as checking the current IP address and network information; Docker management, such as listing Docker containers or helping start and stop them. It can also show basic user information configured on the system. 2. How to set up LinClaw. First, open the LincStation client. On the home screen, click LinClaw. Then click the settings icon in the top right corner. Now you will see the LinClaw settings page. The first section is Configure LLM Backend. LinClaw supports any OpenAI compatible API, such as OpenAI, Gemini, DeepSeek, Qwen, and other similar services. Here, you need to fill in 3 main fields. The first one is base URL, endpoint. This is the API address of your AI service. The second one is API key. Paste your API key here. This key allows LinClaw to connect to the AI service. The third one is model name. Enter the model you want to use. Below that, you will see proxy settings. If your network requires a proxy to connect to the AI service, turn on Enable Proxy. If the API works normally without a proxy, you can leave it turned off. After everything is filled in, click Save Settings. Once the settings are saved, LinClaw is ready to use. 3. How to use LinClaw. In the chat box, you can type, "What can you do?" LinClaw will show you what it can help with. For example, you can type, "CPU usage." Then LinClaw will show the current CPU usage of your LincStation device. LinClaw will read the available system information and give you a clear response. That's a quick guide to LinClaw on LincStation. To use it, open the LincStation client, enter LinClaw, configure the LLM Backend, save the settings, and start asking questions in the chat box.